was just 50 degrees this morning, and now it's about like 20 something. We're getting blasted. Me and Sasha just going for a little bathroom break before it gets too fucking bad out here. I was actually hoping that we were going to be able to get some ice fishing in, but how warm it was yesterday, I don't feel comfortable being on that ice. Seriously. Saw a couple of fellas on the ice yesterday though. Not yesterday, but the day before it got really warm. Just that Michigan weather. It is what it is. Hopefully, if the weather stabilizes and stay cold, I'll get some video of me and Sasha doing some ice fishing. I think that'll be pretty cool. We were on the ice last year, but I didn't get no video of it. I was kind of leery of it, but definitely if the weather stabilizes, we'll get some video of me and Sasha doing some ice fishing for sure. You guys take care, stay safe. I'll talk to you next time.